personal will to grab the right drill, though. Dude, I hope we do a lot of framing this year.
We ain't gonna do no framing, Nick. Give me gutter. Yeah.
Head's loose.
I think we'll get the gutter behind there. Haters. Nick wants beef. 20 foot 10.
He saved in chat. He goes, "What the fuck you doing at my house?"
I don't know about that.
I went to hit the barrier.
That should be plenty. What the fuck? This is really good. Alright, you ready? Just go 20 foot 10 again and 19.5 to center. Yep. And then it's 9. Yes, yeah, it will be over here. Holy shit.
Whoa. What? See, that's how they're supposed to.
I'll be out here probably. Maybe that table.
Maybe take your downspout off.
Dumb. Oh my god.
Oh, really?
This may get dangerous. Then I can finish cutting it quick. You ready? She's free. Maybe. I'll probably have to move again. Not gonna lie. She wanting to come out.
Tilt it my way, like, right?
Just drop your end again.
Watch him. Don't tilt it too much.
There's still a lot of mud in here, Ken.
Okay.
Got it?
Looks like.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. this. I'd be upset at that. She's falling good. Cheers, mate. 6.5 inch piece. I'd go 10 foot, 10.5. I think it pinched the top and it won't slide over very well. Yep. Hopefully it's good here at the end. I trust it now. This is going to be...
There were 14 footers.
Let's go 57. Take it. Chewing on them. Giving me cancer. Scratching my teeth. Fuck it.
Mmm.
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 Mmm. We sound like fucking Minecraft characters. Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Mmm.
I'm gonna fucking build.
Villagers?
Yeah. Mmm. Hmm. Hmm.
They're at the farthest point.
Yeah.
22, 5.5.
It's through here.
I think you'll be alright, Nick. I don't even know.
I'll tell you when to stop. Oh, a little more. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Pro tip, get a nail ready. $32.5. We're good.
Your ladder feel okay, Corey? Or?
Yeah. You could go up a little bit. Up. I'll meet you on the other side. There it is. We made the front one on accident. Well, both of your ladders were back there. Just would have been.
Yeah, guess what?